Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chinese shares managed to hold on to weekly gains as Beijing rolled out a slew of measures to revive market sentiment ahead of a week-long holiday, while the Nikkei vaulted to new heights after the Bank of Japan ruled out rapid rate hikes. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market value, has pushed above the $45,000 mark for the first time since the day after the spot ETFs began trading in January. The US dollar traded in a narrow range and held just below a 12-week high reached earlier in the week, as traders digested comments from policymakers in the previous session.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0600 hours GMT. The Austrian industrial production will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.